Hey fellow health enthusiasts, so today I am going to be juicing something for the first time with our new juicer. We got the Omega J8006 or 8006 HDC. It was a little pricey. I think the retail price was around 300-ish. Luckily we had a Visa gift card sitting around for like $100. And then we went to Bed Bath & Beyond, so we had a 20% off coupon. So it ended up being around 150 or 60 with tax, something like that. So a really good option for the lowest amount of money. So we just assembled it. This is gonna be the first time we make it. I was just in California for about 4 days, and I was inadvertently, without even realizing it, having dairy, because where I was, the food that they were serving at the entrepreneurial mastermind I was at, I'm pretty sure that the vegetables and the fish had dairy in it. So I think I was eating a lot of butter. So I feel really bloat-tastic right now. So this is a good, healthy greens drink I'm gonna make with just a couple simple ingredients. We have some spinach, our celery friends, cucumbers, apple, and some lemon. I'm also at the end, I'm gonna set aside a little bit for Alex to try because she doesn't like what I do. I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of cayenne in it, just for the metabolic boost and the anti-inflammatory, a little cinnamon as well. Those are just my 3 favorite things to put in whatever I can. So here we go, let's see how this thing works. Start with some cucumber. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah, look at that. So it's kind of like breaking it up as it goes. And there's the juice. Put a little more. It's pooping out the pulp over here. Let's see how this works with some spinach. Take a handful of spinach and jam it in there. I don't know how it's going to work because it's dry. But let's see what happens. So you want to have leafy greens as much as you possibly can. So this is a great way to get some of the benefits without having to eat it if you're not the biggest fan of veggies. You know, there's a lot of benefits to juicing. You're getting the nutrients right away. Since you're not cooking it, nothing is getting processed out. So this is just going to be a natural, healthy option. Let's squeeze in some lemon here. So as I do this, I'll start posting weekly or maybe even bi-weekly juices that you can make for specific purposes. I'll figure out some good anti-inflammatory juices, some good detox juices, things to juice on a Monday after you drank too much, after you ate the wrong foods. I'll find some juices that help you get back on track quickly. So if you do lose, or if you gain a couple pounds over the weekend and you're freaking out, there's easy ways to fix that and address that without getting in your head too much. So if you do go off track a little bit, just don't let it define you. Don't let it go too far. So far this juicer has been doing a pretty good job. It sounds like someone's eating something. So this is coming out pretty good. I used 1 apple, 1 cucumber, 5 or 6 stalks of celery, 1 lemon, and a couple handfuls of spinach. So all organic, yes. Organic whenever you can, especially when juicing. It's important. You don't want to get those pesticides in you when you're trying to eat something healthy. And this created enough where it looks like roughly 2 juices, so Alex will get a little bit of her own. The rest will be for me to pound in my face. So like I said, I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of cayenne. In mine, I want cinnamon, sure. I'm gonna make it like a spicy lemonade style thing. So this is good. I mean, it just smells like fresh veggies. It smells awesome. That's nice, look at that. Oh, we're getting a special guest. Alex is coming in to try the juice. Let's see what she thinks. Did I do a good job?
Oh wait, that's really good. I want more.
Oh, it's too late. It is mine now.
Look at my cup compared to your cup.
All right, you want a little more?
Okay, that was him.
All right.
Cheers.
That is really good, you know? You could also put things like parsley, mint, spices. Now, I don't know how the turmeric is gonna go in this, so I'm a little curious to see. So let's see what happens. I'm not gonna put too much, so I just put a little bit of cayenne for that kick. I'm out of cayenne actually. I use it so much. I went through this in less than I think a month. There's the cayenne and cinnamon. Basically, anytime you can use these three things, use them. The anti-inflammatory. So those are things I do for anti-inflammation, for regulating blood control, blood pressure, blood sugar. So there's a lot of benefits in this cup right here without even getting into the vitamins and minerals from the fruit. So let me just stir this. Give it a nice little smell to it. Oh man, that is good. The one thing I would say is maybe a little more lemon in it, but this is fantastic and healthy and a good way to detox if you ate something you didn't want to, if you went too hard over the weekend, if you need to just clean yourself out, if you just want to feel better about yourself. Juicing is a great alternative. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and liked it. If you did, subscribe below, like it, comment, let me know your thoughts. Just let me know what you think of this, and if it helps you, I hope it does. And there'll be more content coming just to help you become the healthiest you possible. My goal is to help create a way for you to become healthy, not just short-term via a fad diet, but long-term over your entire life, educate you and help you become a more healthy individual with better knowledge. So until next time, cheers.